My channel. So today we'll quickly brush through what happened in today's market. Okay, so we'll check AOD first. 2% to 1% up for Shriram Fins, Cipla and Hero Motocorp, and 1% down for Apollo Hospital and Ultra, Kimco and Bajaj Auto. Okay, so here is a small mistake. I don't know how NSE website has mistakes, so sometimes glitch can happen. And we have 54 points gap down. It's a flat, and then you could see from open to end it was in the downtrend. Okay, and Bank Nifty also, it was a gap down. When you check all, it is showing the sideways move here. So you could see 800 800, that means being sideways. Half is positive, half is negative. Okay, so it's in the deciding phase. Now we are going to check the FII, which is a very good parameter to check. So you could see buy and sell. So almost sell value is increasing here. This is call writers and this is put writers. Sorry, put writers, and then you could see the value here 46 and 32. So clearly the resistance is more in the market. Okay, let's wait and watch what happens. Now we'll check some news in the Sensible website. So we are going to check for 29th. Also 28th we have some India news. 29th we don't have any news. And for 29th you could see all the stock results and dividends has been announced for 29. So nothing big here that could affect Nifty 50, so we'll skip. So tomorrow almost downtrend to sideways is my view, and then you could clearly see this is going to be the zone. So resistance, all call CE, and the clear cut resistance is 800. Okay, so 800 and 700 are going to be a very good resistance. If this zone crosses, a lot of SL is available. And you check for Bank Nifty. So it's 58,500 and 56,500. You could see here. Okay. Now we will check for Nifty. And then you could see overall the resistance is more, though both of them are doing profit booking. When you check for next expiry, it's increasing, so they are adding equally in both the positions. Bank Nifty, you could see profit booking here, but when you check for next expiry, they are building it up equally, so you could clearly see the difference. And now we'll go to straddle and then we'll check the price action. So we'll take Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So 0.6% down and 0.7% down, so which is a bit concerning. Okay, so let's take Nifty open. Nifty open is 700, 750. We have to take 800, but I'll take 750 for the safer hand. Always ITM wins. So you see this is the open and this is the close, and this spike is because of these three candles, but then after that market just went sideways, and this spike was because of these candles. So this is pretty simple, right? Now let's take from, we'll approximately take to 240 to 10 maybe. So it's 30 points decay. So let's calculate the P&L. So 30 points is the positive decay times one lot size for Nifty is 75. Okay, so it's profitable trade plus tax plus brokerage. Okay, 3 5 of 15, 1 carry, 22. Okay, so this is the profitable trade for today. So this was the open, we'll take 240, and this was the close as 210. 240. So whenever open is up and then downside it is closed, then it is a positive day for the sellers and negative day for the buyers. Okay, and it's vice versa. Okay, simple calculation. We'll go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 56,200. So I'll take 200, and this was also a very good profitable trade. So that's it, guys. Now we will close this part and we'll go to individual price action. So I'm going to take Nifty and let's do the chart analysis in a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So I'll just do for July. So this is July month open. So here it was clearly a breakout, but then it couldn't sustain. So exactly at its critical support, market is standing, and then it just went sideways. Support broke here, and also here it was a support broke. So clearly it's a downtrend indication unless until some break of a structure happens for Nifty. Next we have Bank Nifty. So you could clearly see Bank Nifty at its critical June month support here if you extend this line, and this is pretty easy to understand. Bank Nifty is being a bit stable than Nifty. So Nifty is falling all because of the reliance. So that's it, guys. Thank you.